Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. First, open Instagram. Then on the upper right part of the screen, tap on the message icon. And on the upper right part of the screen, you'll see a pen and paper icon. Tap on that. And then you'll be able to search or select the person you would like to add on the group chat. So let's say I would like to add this person and also this person. Once you're done adding them or selecting them, tap on chat. That's located on the upper right part of the screen. And then type in here any message that you want to send. And that's how to create group chat on Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.